Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make the motion blur effect in CapCut PC. So this is a simple trick that I use. Alright, so first select your video you want to edit and just go into effect, select length, select lens effect, sorry, so again video. Just scroll down until you find the motion blur. Sorry, guys. Just add to the track. And you can adjust what the duration is and length. Adjust for the strength. Other option right here, and you can shape for the final result like this. That's it. So then add the motion CapCut PC. I was on there and subscribe to this channel. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section down below. Thank you so much.